Unlock the secrets of smooth sailing skin. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore a unique and picturesque expression in the English language, smooth sailing skin. This phrase, rich in imagery and emotion, offers a deep dive into the creative use of language to describe something seemingly simple in an extraordinary way. Let's sail together into this linguistic adventure and uncover the beauty and meaning behind these words. First, let's break down the phrase, smooth sailing skin, into its components to better grasp its meaning. The term, smooth sailing, is commonly used to describe a situation that is going effortlessly and without any obstacles. It conjures images of a ship gliding effortlessly across calm seas, symbolizing ease and trouble-free progress. When we add the word, skin, to this nautical metaphor, the phrase takes on a new, more literal meaning. Here, skin refers to the human skin, and thus, smooth sailing skin suggests skin that is as untroubled and flawless as a calm sea. It's a poetic way of describing skin that is smooth, clear, and free from blemishes or difficulties. Metaphorical language enriches English by allowing speakers and writers to convey complex ideas and emotions in vivid and imaginative ways. By comparing the skin to a smooth sailing experience, this phrase emphasizes not just the absence of physical imperfections but also a sense of ease and well-being. It's a beautiful reminder of how language can transform our perception of everyday concepts, elevating them into something more meaningful and expressive. Metaphors like this make language not just a tool for communication but an art form that captures the human experience in all its depth and diversity. You might wonder, where can one use such a picturesque phrase? Smooth sailing skin can be utilized in various contexts, from marketing skincare products to describing someone's complexion in a novel or poem. It's particularly useful in situations where you want to evoke a sense of natural beauty and effortlessness. While it's not a common everyday expression, incorporating such vivid phrases into your language can make your speech or writing more engaging and memorable. It showcases the power of English to not only communicate but also to enchant and inspire. We hope this journey into the meaning and beauty of smooth sailing skin has been as enlightening for you as it has been enjoyable for us. Language is a vast and splendid sea, filled with countless treasures waiting to be discovered. By learning to navigate its waters with curiosity and creativity, you'll find that even the simplest phrases can open up worlds of meaning and emotion. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic voyage. May your learning journey be always smooth sailing.